Hi, welcome to my short video where I am going to show you in a moment 5 tips to generate an email list on YouTube without a website. For this exercise, I will assume that you already know how to make a video for your channel on YouTube. An email list is essential to any business. I believe you heard the saying, the money is in the list. Is it saturated? I do not believe so. Why do I say that? Let's have a look at some statistics. More than 66% of buyers bought because of an email list. 76% of people preferred email to communicate. And did you know there are more than 4.6 billion email addresses? So the first step is to host a giveaway. People like free stuff. Give something away for free or as a bonus. If you do not have something to give away, like an ebook, a PDF document, or a product, you would be surprised on how many businesses would be willing to provide their products as prizes for you to give away. You can also buy or find PLR products, which stands for private label rights, ebooks, or products online. The second step is to create a landing page. You have to create a simple landing page so that you can capture emails from your subscribers. Some of the free software providers let you build a page easily and without any technical know-how. You are also able to get free landing page templates on the internet. Third step, pick an email marketing service provider. There are many service providers online that you can pick from paid to free. I recommend starting with a free service, and then when you have more than 2,000 subscribers, go to a paid service. There are service providers that have a landing page software included in their programs. The fourth step is share it with your friends and family and business connections on social media. That can be done on social media. Optimize your profile to get the best results. Step number 5 is guest post on popular blogs. Find popular blogs on the internet and guest post on them. This is a great way to get in front of a huge audience. Just make sure that you are allowed to insert your own links in a blog, as some owners do not allow that. A big secret here also is not to spam on blogs. That is a sure way to get your account banned. This is all for now, but there are many free tips to come. Please let me know in the comments what you are struggling with when making videos on YouTube to earn an income online. I am making more videos on how to earn money on YouTube, so please subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. In the next video, I am going to discuss, is it worth it to make YouTube videos to make money online. See you in the next video.